You will now learn how to use your Crossfire sling with a 2-shoulder carry and how to use the quick release. First, place the top strap over your head on your arrow hand shoulder. Then take the next strap and place it on your bow hand shoulder. From here, the bow can be carried either on your side or back, which will protect your sights and strings while reducing fatigue. To use the quick release, take the strap on your bow hand shoulder and place it on the opposite shoulder. This enables you to make the final stalk before releasing the sling from the bow. By pulling up on the webbing extending from the top and lower cam buckles, it will quickly and silently release, leaving you ready to shoot without startling your prey. What's more, the sling stays attached to your body and out of the way, so you can keep your eyes on the target. For more information on the incredible Crossfire sling, see the additional instructional videos or visit us on the web at www.crossfiresling.com.